5-3 triangles. We're taking a look here. As review, we've already looked at any triangle. If we take the measure of all of its internal angles, A, B, and C, add them all up, they get together to form 180 degrees. Remember, we had the piece of paper, we cut out the triangle, we put all of those vertices together, and we found this to be true. Now, if you answer, I want you to answer 1A through 1F and try this on that page because this goes right along with what we've already done. But now I want to introduce you to the idea of a mathematical proof. Okay, now in science we avoid the word prove, but in math we'll use postulates and theorems to prove our relationships. So let's take, for example, this triangle here. And I've got the interior angles labeled 1, 2, and 3. If I take the base of the triangle and I extend it, I can call that line A. And if I just draw a parallel line to A right through the tip of the point, I can call that B. Now, the justification, whenever you do a proof, you have to have a justification for each step. So my justification for drawing this parallel line B is by using the parallel postulate. And what this says is through a point not on line L, all right, we're using this line here, this is what we're talking about, and through a point not on that line, so this is the point right here at the tip, this point is not on this line. There is exactly one line parallel to L. So there's only one parallel line I could possibly draw that goes through this point that would be parallel to the line that goes through the base of the triangle. All right, and we drew line B parallel to line A. All right, so now if after I do that, I take the sides of the triangles and I extend them. Okay, so if I take this side of the triangle and I extend it past where the triangle it is, I can call this line T. And if I take this line that I create for my outside, the third side of the triangle, and I extend it, I can call this line S. Now, that means that the line T and the line S, what kind of lines are those? Those are both transversal lines to these two parallel lines, and we just were working with that. All right, so if I do that, once I draw this triangle, then I can label these angles here 4 and 5, and if S is a transversal line, then we know that the angles 4